Hello everyone, my name is Apple. I am the blogger behind the Queen Mama and Love Light Apple. I am also a fellow student of the Bloggers Academy led by Sir Ed Manongdo, and I am here to speak in front of you to tell you how thankful I am for Host Wi-Fi, for the entire Bloggers Academy for helping me succeed in my blogging goals. I am so thankful from start to finish. It was the Bloggers Academy that helped me get there. I am very grateful and I don't know how to express my deepest gratitude to Sir Ed for helping me succeed and for helping me expand in my visions and goals and other objectives to grow my blog to what it is now. If you can check, you may check it on your address bar. It's www.thequeenmama.com and Love Light Apple. It's my personal blog too. It's also hosted by Sir Ed. So I hope you enjoy blogging and you always seek support and help from Sir Ed and he is the man to beat when it comes to blogging. So for any help in blogging and for anything that you want to know more about blogging, you have to just consult Sir Ed. He is with you in your journey of blogging. So congratulations for taking this opportunity to also hone your skills, hone your writing skills, and also for taking this opportunity to earn alongside with your passion for writing. So that's all. If you need help and if you need anything, just go to bloggersacademy.org and you'll get by. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nami Pascua from Ilocos Norte in the Northern Philippines, admin of www.gumpistravel.com. If there is one person or web host you can trust to teaching you how to create a profitable online income in the future, it has to be Sir Edgar Manongdo of Bloggers Academy. He is the person who really walks with you from day one up to the time that you will get published. So if you have a passion in writing and you want to spend time doing what you love with the help of a pro, it has to be Sir Manongdo of Bloggers Academy.
Hello, I'm Joe. I'm a web developer and the web admin of interaae.com or Inter-Asian International Education, Bangkok, Thailand. Host Wi-Fi played a big role in my career as a web developer. Sir Ed was the one who motivated me to learn web development. Now I started vlogging and I hope I will be able to create my own blog soon. If you are really serious about blogging, Sir Ed Manongdo is the man who can truly guide you. He is literally online 24/7 to help you with anything regarding blogging. For all your blogging tools, Host Wi-Fi is an affordable alternative.
Hello, I'm Hazel from itshazelheart.com. I am so glad that my friend Lawi introduced Sir Ed to me in my blogging journey. You know, in blogging, it's not easy, but Sir Ed makes it easier. Sir Ed always there anytime, one chat away. If there's something I want to ask, if there's something I want him to help me, he's always there. And you know, Sir Ed is great. And thank you, Sir Ed.
Hello everyone, I'm Charlene, and I'm just dropping by to say thank you to Sir Edgar for being such a very supportive mentor. You see, he's very, very patient with me and he understands my busy schedule, but despite all of that, he would always find time to check on my progress and see how I'm doing, and I appreciate that a lot. And writing is just something that I'm passionate about. It's just one of my hobbies and it's something that I do during my spare time. But then he was the one who always tells me that to do better and to to pursue something that I love, to pursue my passion, which is writing. And I'm sure he has also helped a lot of newbies like me. And I would say that I'm new to blogging, but he has helped me establish my site, and because of him, I got approved by AdSense, and I'm looking forward to the future, and with him as my mentor, and I'm sure that I can do a lot of things. So once again, thank you, sir, for being there and for being very supportive. And by the way, please check my blogging site. It's called brainychick.com. Thank you. God bless you.
Hi guys, so I have been working with Sir Ed for a year now, and being a newbie blogger, I found him to be reliable, hardworking, and very professional. That's why I am very thankful that I was able to work with him, because I've learned a number of lessons from him, and also he always give tips and suggestions about blogging and explains things in a way that makes sense to me. So I would highly recommend his services as a personal blog coach, because he is easy and comfortable to work with, and for sure he will communicate very well with you. And aside from that, he is a nice person who is willing to help others. So thank you, Sir Ed, for giving me tips and advices for my blog.